Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna learn how we can create custom dialog in our Android application. So when we click the button, this custom dialog will show up. Now let's build it. You will find the example code in the video description. But before we begin, please make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification when we upload more content. Now in our Android Studio, I have already created the project. I have added one button here with the ID. You can create your layout however you want. And in our main activity, I have initialized the button and assigned it to its following ID. Now we will create our custom layout. For that, go to the layout, right click on it, new layout resource file. I'm gonna call it custom background. You can name it however you want. Now I'm not gonna design the layout from the scratch. It will take more time, so I will simply paste the code of the layout. I hope you guys can create this layout with a simple text view image and buttons. And make sure you change the height of your parent layout to wrap content. And add a background color. For this example I am using white. Now we will create our dialog background. For that, go to the drawables, right click on it, new drawable resource file. I'm gonna call it background. Click OK. First we'll create a rectangle shape and add corner radius to 12 dp and the solid color to white. Now for the animation, go to your values directory, open style.xml. We're gonna create a new style tag. I'm gonna call it animation. You can call whatever you want. And the first item that we'll create inside it will be window enter animation. I'm gonna use Android built-in fade in fade out animation. You can use custom animation. So Android anim / fade in. And the next item we will create will be window exit animation, and the animation will be fade out animation. And now in our app theme we will add window animation style, and we will pass our animation style that we have created. Now that's for the animation. And now in our main activity.java we'll first initialize our dialog. So I'm gonna call it dialog. Now in the onCreate method, dialog is equal to new dialog, and we will pass our main activity as a context. Now to set our custom layout, we will call dialog.setContentView, and in here we will pass our custom layout art.layout.custom dialog. Now to set our custom drawable, dialog.getWindow.setBackground drawable, get drawable, and in here we will pass our drawable that we have created. Now to set the width of our dialog, we will call dialog.getWindow.setLayout, and the first argument that it will take will be viewGroups.layoutParams.matchParent for the width, comma, and the wrap content for the height, semicolon. Now dialog.setCancelable. It is optional though, by default it is true, but if you set it to false and when we click the outside of the dialog will not disappear. I'm gonna set it to false. Now if you see this error, that means background drawable only available at API level 21. So we'll wrap it in a if else statement. If build.version.sdkint greater than or equal to build.versioncodes.lollipop, and we'll paste the statement inside the if, and error is resolved now. Alright, if you go back to your custom layout, you will see we have added two buttons here with the ID in our dialog. So we have to add on-click listener on these buttons. In here we'll create a button. I'm gonna call it OK is equal to dialog dot find view by ID art.id dot our button's ID. And make sure you declare the button like this or it will cause the app to crash. Now I will do the same for our cancel button. Now we can call set on click listener on our dialog buttons. And if someone clicks our OK button, I'm gonna simply display an toast message. And to dismiss our dialog, I'll simply call dialog.dismiss. It will disappear our dialog. Now I will do the same for our cancel button. I am simply showing toast message here, but you can put your actual code here in your project. Now to display our dialog, we'll call set on click listener on this button. And simply call dialog.show to display our dialog. Now let's add animation effects to our dialog. For that, go up here, dialog dot get window dot get attributes dot window animations is equal to art dot style dot animation that we have created earlier in our style.xml file. Alright, now our code is complete. We can test our app to see how it's work. And now if you click this button, the dialog will show with the fade in animation. And now if you click the buttons, it will show the toast message and dismiss the dialog. Okay guys, that's it for the today. And if you have any questions or queries related to this topic, please ask me in the comment section. And you will find the example code in the video description. Take care.